love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today's lecture is lesson 3 in Panda. So in lesson 3 in Panda, last time we saw about the data frames and and we saw about the data frames, right? So in today's lecture we are going to be seeing how to read from a CSV and a JSON. So what I've actually done here is I can actually open a file, new, save, rename, download. You can create, in the Anaconda I can actually create a new file. So I actually pasted this and I actually saved it as data.csv. Okay, so this is my data.csv and this is my file here. So now if I actually go here and then if I say the import Panda as Panda and then this read CSV which we actually saw, and then convert this df to string, let's see what is actually happening. See here, now this has actually come to string because that is a CSV and all these things are strings. All right, now same thing. If you want to check the maximum rows, the number of rows returned in a define in Panda option, if you want to return the maximum rows, let's actually see how it is actually coming. Import pandas as PD, and then you have this PD dot options dot displays max rows. So the max row is 9999. Okay, this is the way you display the max row. So if you want to increase the maximum number of rows to display the entire data frame, so it says 9999, but I don't see 9999, okay, which is less than 10,000. So how would I actually see? So you will say no problem, import my option, display all the maximum rows up to this, because I know this is my maximum rows. Now read my CSV and print df. It is going to give me the entire thing, and since I don't have 9999, I only have 9, it's going to show me this. But if I have like slightly less than 10,000, it will show me everything. All right. So in a JSON, we know about JSON. JSON code, if it is not in a file but in a Python dictionary, you can load it directly. So this is the code, and since this code is slightly big, I've actually pasted in a notepad. So let's actually take this and let's actually run this. Here we go. Import Panda. We have a data, we have a pulse, we have a max pulse, we have a calorie. We are closing everything. This is a dictionary. And then we say this is a data frame of the entire thing as data. Okay, in a data frame as data, and then I'm actually printing it. Okay, the same thing here, I've actually taken only the 5 instead of 9. I'm actually printing it, and when I say run, this is what I'm going to get as a data frame, because I'm actually putting as a data frame. All right, I think this is a good start for today for reading the CSV JSON, and we'll be getting more into how to actually cleanse the data and stuff of that nature in the coming lessons. So I want to thank you for giving me your time. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. Till we see next time, take care. Cheers.